Karnataka's hijab row, the state may change the order of the keys. India News. The Indian Express has learned that the BJP-led state government in Karnataka is considering revising its controversial February 5 decision banning hijabs from government pre-university colleges. Sources said the state education department's order may be modified but not soon because it is being contested in the Karnataka High Court. A full court heard arguments that the order violated equal protection, religion, expression, personal liberty, and education, and amounted to religious discrimination. The AG said he would seek new state instructions and file arguments in court on Friday afternoon. Awasthi, Justice Krishna S Dixit, and Justice J M Khazi. The court replied by allowing the Advocate General to begin arguing from the state's statement of objections. But it also said if you amend the government directive it is fine. Sources said the state cabinet, led by Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, would convene on Friday, prior to the High Court hearing, and may decide on the hijab issue. Outrage and protests erupted across the state following the government directive and a misconstrued interim High Court order banning religious insignia from institutions with dress rules set by college development committees. Despite Bommai's clarification before the Assembly that the High Court's interim injunction only related to pre-university campuses, officials kept Muslim girls out or kept them away from colleges this week. Several parties are pressuring the BJP administration to reverse its February 5 order banning hijabs from pre-university colleges, citing public order concerns. A delegation of Muslim MLAs from the Congress met Education Minister B.C. Nagesh on Thursday and demanded that the government order be withdrawn. Both Bommai and Higher Education Minister Ashwath Narayan claimed yesterday that the uniform rule does not apply to degree colleges. Despite this, cops have barred students from campuses. If this continues, we will have to protest in a large way. We also reminded the minister that numerous state authorities are misapplying the High Court ruling. We told him that until a High Court order is made, Muslim girls must be permitted to attend schools and colleges, Ahmed added. We would endeavor to alleviate the difficulties of all students, Minister Nagesh stated, citing former PM A.B. Vajpayee. We don't want a single student to miss out. Atlji spoke about universal education, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi wants all girls educated. The issue will be resolved in a day or two. According to an MLA, the minister stated that the government would wait for the High Court order. Solicitors say the minister urged legislators to encourage Muslim girls' parents to educate their daughters. The Congress avoided bringing up the hijab prohibition in the current state legislature, leaving it to Muslim leaders to lobby. Devotees have instead sought the resignation of BJP Minister K.S. Ishwarappa, who declared that the saffron flag of Hindutva would one day replace the national flag. The party is planning a sleep-in in the Assembly on Thursday night. A group of lawyers, including former High Court judges, wrote to the Chief Justice of the Karnataka High Court that the issues at stake relate not only to the rights recognized in Article 25, but also to the fundamental rights of students under the Golden Triangle of Articles 14, 19 and 21, read with the specific protection against discrimination provided in Article 15. However, the Department for Pre-University Education in Karnataka attempted to claim that prohibiting pupils from wearing headscarves or hijabs in class is not an infringement of their right to exercise religion. The order utilized the Karnataka Education Act's Clause 7, 2G, and Section 133's authorities to issue the order on having dress regulations that protect equality and unity on pre-university college campuses.